Hello.
Hi,
What's your name?
I'm Scarlett. And you?
I'm Rufus.
Nice to meet you, Rufus.
Nice to meet you too. Scarlett.
How old are you, Rufus?
I am 21. And you?
I'm 21, but I'll be 22 next month. How are you, Rufus?
I'm good. What about you?
Yes, I'm doing so good. Where are you from, Rufus?
I'm from Canada. And you?
I'm from Cambodia. It's a beautiful country. Do you know Cambodia?
Yes, sure. I've been there with my family to visit Angkor Wat. It's a great temple ever.
Thank you. What is your job?
I'm a nurse, but when I was young, I dreamed to be a pilot. What about you?
I'm a chiropractor.
That's an interesting job. My uncle is a chiropractor too. Hey, Rufus. Did you finish the homework?
Ugh, barely. That math problem was a killer. I think I got it wrong, though.
Don't worry, me too. I was so confused. Maybe we can ask Mr. Johnson for help after class.
Yeah, good idea. Will you want to go to the library with me after class?
I'm not sure about that. Why will you go?
I'm going to do an exercise that Mrs. Jasmine gave us last week. She will check it tomorrow. Don't you know?
Oh, God. I almost forget about it. Thanks, Scarlett, for reminding me. Let's go after class. Let's grab some snack and drink first, because we're going to be hungry.
Good idea, my friend.